Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I use my air fryer to fry my fish. So I'm trying to use my fish for my soup, so I'm not trying to like fry it again. So I just use my fryer to do so instead of using the stove to fry the fish. So this is my fryer. So I'm going to use my spray. I'm going to, let me see here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to spray my pan. Like so. And then I'm going to use my fish. This is the fish right here. And then put it in. I'm going to put it in for 20 minutes. If I need more time, I will do so as well. But I'm going to put it in for 20 minutes. Like that. So this is how it look right here, like so. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now is to put it into my fryer and then put 20 minutes and then let it do it though. Okay, so I'll come back when it's all done. Okay guys? Okay you guys, so I crank up my temperature to 400 instead of 360 for 20 minutes. As you can see, it's about to go off. I think it only has 1 minute left. So it came out really good, you guys. So I wanted to show you basically how the fish look. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. So what I'm going to do right now is to put my fish right on this plate here. So you guys, as you can see, it looks so good, you guys. It looks like I fried them from the pot, which I didn't. So you guys, you can see here how moist they are. So yes guys, so this is how my fish turned out to look like. Very nice if you don't want to fry it. Okay, so let me give you a glimpse of what I'm doing here. So this is the reason why basically I'm doing this fish for. Okay guys, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye. That looks so good, you guys. So good, and tastes so good. You all, let me show you. This is called peanut butter soup, you guys. If you are unfamiliar with this is a bonus clip into this. So you guys, yes, this is peanut butter soup. Delicious. All right, see you guys later.